I want to delve into a topic that lies at the core of our existence and well-being, the profound connection between the interpersonal relationships and optimal health. It is my belief that as human beings, we cannot attain holistic wealth in isolation. Rather, we must actively engage in meaningful human-to-human interactions. The foundation of this interconnectedness lies in cultivating a healthy sense of self, which is paramount for both psychological and emotional well-being. In understanding the importance of a healthy sense of self, we must embark on a journey towards optimal health. It is crucial to first recognize that the significance of a healthy sense of self, our emotional and psychological well-being, hinges on how well we understand ourselves and navigate our internal landscape. Emotions, often defined as disturbances in life energy, play a pivotal role in shaping our experiences. By assessing our emotional states, we can proactively work towards cultivating not just relationships with others, but more fundamentally, a relationship with our own selves. So the emotional health and creation of interpersonal harmony. According to psychiatrists and psychologists, the most destructive and health-threatening emotions are fear and anger. These powerful emotions, if left unaddressed, can have profound effects on our overall well-being. Similarly, passions and lust, when mismanaged, can become hurdles in our journey towards optimal health. It is within our capacity as human beings to create and maintain emotional health by addressing these emotions and fostering a positive mental environment. So the power of self-reflection and inner harmony is critical. To attain a healthy sense of self, it is imperative to look within ourselves, the source of all creation. Through self-reflection and mindfulness, we can find peace and joy, cultivating a consciousness that brings harmony and balance to our lives. This inner harmony becomes the cornerstone for building optimally emotional lives, fostering a dynamic of harmonious interpersonal relationships with others. This interplay between emotional well-being and interpersonal dynamics. Our emotional well-being is intricately linked to the quality of our lives, interpersonal relationships. When we nurture a healthy sense of self and emotional balance, we are better equipped to navigate the complexities of human interaction. Empathy, understanding, and effective communication become natural byproducts of this inner harmony, creating a positive ripple effect on our relationships. In conclusion, the journey towards optimal health is not a solitary one. It is woven into the fabric of our relationships with others. By acknowledging the importance of a healthy sense of self and proactively managing our emotional states, we lay the groundwork for creating harmonious interpersonal dynamics. Let us embrace the interconnectedness of our emotional well-being and relationships, recognizing that through self-awareness and mindfulness, we can truly achieve optimal health.